In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and most merciful. Assalamu alaikum viewers, my name is Iram Jabbar. I would like to welcome you in chemistry class. In our today's lecture, we will discuss about experimental techniques in chemistry. First of all, we will discuss about analytical chemistry. Analytical chemistry is that branch of chemistry which deals with chemical analysis of compound. In this branch of chemistry, we discuss about compound, its composition and components which are the part of compound. On the basis of chemical characterization and analysis, we can classify analysis into two categories: qualitative analysis and quantitative analysis. Qualitative analysis is that type of analysis which include only identification of elements which are present in a given sample or compound. For example, we know that blood contains plasma, red blood cells and white blood cell. This type of analysis in which we only identify the constituent which are present in a sample is known as qualitative analysis. While quantitative analysis include measurement of amount of substances. In this analysis, we measure amount of constituents which are present in a given sample. For example, we know that blood contains plasma, white blood cells and red blood cells. And if we calculate their amount in blood, then this type of analysis is known as quantitative analysis. For example, when we analyzed composition of blood, then we come to know that blood contains 55% plasma, 4% white blood cells and 41% red blood cells. This type of analysis which give information about amount of components present in blood is known as quantitative analysis. To do a quantitative analysis of a compound, certain steps are included. In first step, first of all, we obtain a sample on which we have to perform quantitative analysis. After that, we separate the components of a compound. After separation of components, we perform measurements and calculations. We calculate percentage or amounts of constituents. After that, we draw some conclusion from this analysis. In this chapter, we will discuss about some separation techniques like filtration, sublimation, crystallization, solvent extraction and chromatography. We will discuss each type of separation in different lectures. It's all about today's lecture. Thank you.